guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I am going to go start to finish with you as a total newbie on something super exciting here at Fontsy. We have a new UV DTF sticker gang sheet builder. So you can make multiple different size sticker sheets for UV DTF stickers. So this is different than our DTF gang sheet, which is for apparel. These are, as you can see, stickers. I have not used this. My team set this all up, but I wanted to go through this just like you would so that we can see how this works. So here we are on the listing. I am going to link to that in the description below so you have access to it. So it looks like we've got a bunch of different sizes depending on what we are trying to do. So I would like to print a couple of UV DTF wraps for like cans or tumblers. So I am just going to pick the 23 by 12 inch to start right now. So I'll click that. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it looks like we are able to, if I already had one, it looks like I would be able to access it. I'm not sure what auto build is. I'll get into that in a separate video, but I'm going to start a new gang sheet. Okay, so let's see. I have an image that I want to upload. So the image that I am actually going to upload is one that I got from Fontsy. So I want to bring that in. So let's see. Okay, so it looks like I need to do that actually first. So let's close this. So what I want to do, it's actually already in my account. So it looks like what I need to do is download that first. So I'm going to go here. This is my product, the Breast Cancer Warrior SVG PNG Libby glass wrap. So just a little friendly reminder to make sure that you get your mammograms on a regular basis. You don't need a lump to have breast cancer. Ask me how I know. So that's your little PSA. Please, please, please take care of yourself and get your mammograms so that if you, by chance, have, unfortunately, breast cancer, it is very much easier, much easier to treat early on. Again, ask me how I know. I went through a lumpectomy and 20 rounds of radiation, and I'm on medication now for the next 5 years. But super early. Okay, enough of my PSA. Please do that. Okay, here we go. Now I can upload my image because I have it downloaded, and of course it need to unzip it first. I told you guys I was doing this just like you. Okay, so I have 3 options here. I'm going to use the PNG. That is the best one that we have. So I will do upload and go back to that. I am going to, yep, it's only allowing me to upload that. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we'll select it, and there it is. How do we zoom out a little bit? Zoom out. I just want to make sure it's the correct. Okay, so this size is, my image right now is 17.8. That's way too big. Okay, so I need to adjust that. I don't want it to be 17 inches. I need it to be closer to 5 inches high and 12 around. Yeah, okay, so this is what I want. I am actually going to rotate this because I think I'll be able to fit more than just that on there. So I can rotate this way. There we go. And I can, I'm sure, duplicate image. How do we do that? Oh, no, quantity. Yeah, duplicate. There we go. Okay, so it filled that. I'm just going to give myself a little bit of space so that once I get it, I'll be able to cut them apart more easily since I have a little extra space. Now, I do still have some more space, so if I wanted to add something else down here, I could do that. It gives you the option here to auto nest. I don't need to do anything else. And I'm going to click save and add to cart. Okay. No Disney, guys. All right, add to cart and exit. So let's see. We're going to check out. And this is all just internal stuff that we need. And that's literally it. So there is free shipping. There's a threshold for that. So just FYI on that, if you want to get free shipping, you can also add more items to your cart, whether you are looking for if you are looking for blanks. So Fontsy has that as well. We also obviously have the regular DTF, builder as well, but this is going to be for those UV DTF stickers that I know a lot of you have been asking for. So even when you're a newbie like me, talking about your PSA, not having your file ready to upload, that literally only took probably 3 minutes, and if I knew exactly what I was doing, it probably would have taken me less than 2. Everything for you in the description below, and hopefully you guys love this edition. We're super excited about it.